Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. I'm here in IKEA Bangyai, Nonthaburi. Thank you for over 600 subs. And this is actually my second video. My first video, I was just talking. So my second video, I'm gonna do a walk around. Let's go. I'm on the third floor, so let's just walk around, see what they have. Okay guys, so follow me. Thank you for over 600 subs. Okay, so here we are, IKEA. Let's see what kind of stuff they have here. They have beautiful furniture, as you can see. Everything's affordable, so. I love coming here, especially the food court. I love the food court. Okay, that's the fire exit. So we're just gonna look at the furniture here. We'll just do a nice slow video, 15-minute roll. And as you can see, this is IKEA. They have a lot of products here. That's the parking. I'm in Nonthaburi right now, so this is, yeah, they have a lot of nice stuff. So let's just walk around. Yeah, I actually got one of these sofas. That's nice, yeah. And they have really nice furniture, as you can see. Yeah, I really like that sofa. That's my favorite sofa because I'm into like chess, and it has that chess pattern. So I'm really into that. See what they have over here. I'm just gonna do a nice and slow walk because they have so much furniture here. It would blow your mind. Now I believe that they have 3 branches. So they have an IKEA in Bangyai, Nonthaburi, which I'm at right now. And they have another IKEA. That's me. Hey, what's up, guys? 8 tubers and 2 beds. Remember, when you help other people, you help yourselves. That's my check out my setup. So that's my setup. I'm using the iPhone 13 Pro Max with the Manfrotto base grip and the Manfrotto tripod with the UHE Kevlar case. Okay, that's my setup. So that's how I do my videos. But when I go to the provinces, I like to whip out the RX 107, and I like to whip out the heavy gear, the Handycam AX P55 and the big guns, you know what I'm saying? The big guns with the bigger sensors, and yeah. So, but when I just do like quick videos, I just like to use my phone and whatever. Yeah, Converse, yeah. I really want a pair of those, but unfortunately, supposedly Thailand, they don't have my size. I'm actually 10 and a half, and they don't have my size, so unfortunately. Yeah, last time I think I was just talking and I was rambling, but I think now I'm just doing a walk around so you can see what kind of, furniture they have here, what kind of floor, what kind of stuff they have here, basically. They also have a warehouse here. So I'm just gonna walk around right now, and basically it's like a maze. So I'm just walking around right now. So I'm gonna be doing 2 videos. I'm gonna be doing IKEA, and then I'm gonna be doing Central Westgate. So I'm gonna be doing 2 videos today. Okay. That's me. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, tubers and 2 bets. That's your boy. Subscribe to my channel. Hit like. Yeah, I was just checking out Adelina Rose, and she's a cool tuber. Yeah, but she has that genetic disorder. What's over here? I don't know where I'm going. I'm just getting lost right now. But they have everything here, guys, and I think they have 3 branches, like I said. One in Megabangna and one here in Nonthaburi, and I think they have another branch in Phuket. They have a lot of mirrors here, as you can see. Okay, let me go to the 2nd floor now. Okay, that's Central Westgate. I'm gonna be doing a video there too, so I got another 10 more minutes, so let me go to Let me go to the second floor now. Yeah, that's Central Westgate. I'm gonna be doing a video on there too, but let me finish this IKEA video, okay? Okay, I think I'm on the 3rd floor. Let me go to the 2nd floor. I don't know how to get to the 2nd floor because I'm so lost right now. Oh my God, I think the lifts they closed the lifts, yeah. Elevator's not working, so I don't know how I'm gonna get to the 2nd floor. But there has to be some stairs or escalator going there, so I gotta find out where that's at. But yeah, this has some really nice furniture here, guys. Yeah, IKEA is where to be. If you have a house or a condo, you can get a lot of nice furniture here. Hey, what's up, guys? I'll just give you a little tour, see what kind of furniture they have here. And here we have some chairs. And, oh yeah, so I uploaded a video. I think it's, I did Benja Kitty Phase 3, but actually I was supposed to upload the SETI video. But SETI, I'm gonna upload that tomorrow. Yeah, I skipped the video, but that's okay. I'm gonna be uploading it when I get home, okay? I skipped the video, yeah, because I like to do my videos in order, but I don't know how to rearrange it yet, so supposedly there's a way how you can rearrange it, okay? How to get to the 2nd floor, I have no idea. I think I gotta ask. I'm so lost right now. I just want to get to the 2nd floor, so. Escalator, where's the escalator? I just want to get to the 2nd floor so I can show you guys. I always get lost when I walk around here, but it's a good workout, guys. It's a good workout. So not only do I get a nice workout, but it's also a good hobby. It's 2 in 1, so I kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So I get a good workout. Hey, what's up, guys? And then I also try to keep in shape. This is Jalik World. So these are where all the dinosaurs are at. I get a good workout and I get popular at the same time. I get famous at the same time. So I kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I stay healthy and I have my hobby, so that's why I have my channel, so it's good. I have no idea where I'm going right now. I just need to get to the 2nd floor. Maybe I can ask. Oh, there's the escalator. Okay, I can go to the 2nd floor right there. Okay, I found the escalator to the 2nd floor. Okay, so let's go to the 2nd floor. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing all floors, guys, because this place is humongous. It's huge, so. All right, here's 2nd floor. All right, let me go to the 2nd floor now. Yeah, this place is humongous, guys. It's humongous. It's huge. So I'm going to be doing another 5 more minutes here, and I'm going to stop the video, and I'm going to do another video in Central Westgate, and I'll do a tour from there. And then that's it. That's it for my day. And I got to actually pick up a few things. So I got to do a little bit of shopping here. So I'm going to be here probably for a couple hours, maybe a few hours. Okay, guys. So I got another 5 more minutes left. Let's just see what they have over here. Okay, this is the cooking utensils. So they have pots and pans here. Yeah, I always like to show you different places that I go to and different experiences that I have. So, and different, areas and stuff like that. So But like I said, once I finish this, I'm gonna be doing a quickie at Central Westgate. And I'm gonna be doing another 15-minute over there so you can see what kind of shops they have over there. Okay, this is the second floor. Let me see if I can get to the first floor. I'm not even sure if I can or not. But because I'm so lost right now. Let's see here. Okay, I did 5 kilometers today, so I'm doing pretty good, guys. I usually like walking between 5 and 10 kilometers per day, so it's good for your health and good for everything. All right, I'm just turning over here now. Okay, I believe this is the second floor. It's a Friday, so I was planning to come here on the weekend, but I canceled, so I decided to come today. Okay, I don't know how to get to the first floor. I think that's Central Westgate right there. But I'm gonna finish this IKEA video before so I only got a few more minutes. Let me finish this IKEA video, and then I can show you all the products that are here. Okay, these are like seat cushions and covers and whatnot. Okay. That's Central Westgate. I'm gonna be doing a video in there, but let me finish this video first. I only got a few more minutes, okay? Okay, let me just walk over here now. A lot of people here today because it's a Friday. They like to chill here. Also, a lot of condos here, so I believe that's my ticket to the first floor, but I don't know why it's not working. And you see they have the elevators are closed. You see the blue guard? I don't know why I can't. Maybe it's not working. You see, I want to get to the first floor. That's my goal, so I can show you the first floor. But they're not letting me go. I don't know why that's not working. There should be another escalator around here. Let's look for it. Anyways, we only got a couple more minutes left, so I don't know if I'm going to be making it to the first floor. Okay. All right, here you go. Here's some pillows. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna make it to the first floor or not, but whatever. At least, you know, you got a feel for IKEA. And that was my goal today, so I can give you a nice tour of IKEA. And I accomplished that, so. Okay, here goes some, you have your bathroom there. Here's another mirror. Hey, what's up, guys? It's me. Yeah, it's your boy. A lot of mirrors here. I should invest in a gimbal, but that's going all out professional. So, and I don't know if I'm gonna be doing that, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll think about it. Okay, we just got another minute left, I guess. So these are some lighting for your house. Okay, and we're gonna be stopping the video in about a minute. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to the first floor, guys. I really don't know, but at least you got a feel for IKEA here, and I really wanted to get this video in, you know, for my viewers and my subscribers. If you haven't been here, come here. Like I said, also the food court here is amazing. They have these Swedish meatballs with mashed potato, and then they also have these the salmon salad, and it's just so good, and you can't find it anywhere. Okay, these are rugs and carpets. Okay, I'm just gonna stop the video here. You got a feeling for it already. Now I'm gonna be going to Central Westgate, okay? Okay, I'm gonna be stopping the video. Let me say goodbye first Take care of yourself. Love you guys. Remember, when you help other people, you help yourselves. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm going to be stopping the video now. Take care. Love you all. Okay.